Today I'll share the recipe of homemade condensed milk. You can see in my video how beautiful it has turned out, smooth, silky and perfect condensed milk, exactly like the ones we get from market, and it was super awesome in taste and a perfect partner for condensed milk in any recipes. It's Khoya or Mava, anything you can call. An instant recipe I'll share. We will not do it in traditional way. Both recipes turned out to be awesome, and believe me, they are real lifesaver in these times. So do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Source food corner style, homemade condensed milk and Mava or Khoya. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's start with the recipe. So first we are going to make homemade condensed milk. So let's begin. Here I have taken a deep heavy bottom pan, and to it I'll add 1 liter of full fat milk. So 1 liter of full fat milk goes in, and now I need to just stir it continuously in medium high flame so that it comes to a boil and the fat doesn't accumulate on the top, or the malai what we call. So just stir it continuously on medium high flame in this way, and it will gradually start to reduce. I have taken 1 liter of milk, so eventually it will change color and the consistency will change. So stir it continuously. It's a very important tip. Do not leave the milk unattended, otherwise it will get a very foul smell. So when it starts to reduce, I'll add here sugar. Around 300 grams I have taken. 300 grams of sugar in 1 liter milk is just perfect. I have tried it out many times, and this is the recipe that I am sharing after trying it many times. So 300 grams of sugar is just perfect for 1 liter of milk. Now mix it continuously. What will happen is that the sugar will start to caramelize gradually in low flame and will result in a nice coloration of this milk. So just we need to have patience and stir it continuously till the sugar starts to caramelize. It will be nicely melted in this milk and will give a very nice color, and you can see gradually when the sugar melts there will be very nice changes in this milk. You can actually see how the color changes. So just keep stirring. We had added sugar. Once it has reduced to 1/4, and after 10 minutes, this is the result. The milk is continuously boiling, you can see, and I am stirring it continuously, and the color has changed from white to off-white you can call, and gradually it's becoming the color of the condensed milk that we get in markets. So do not leave it unattended. It's a very important tip. Stir it continuously, and after 15 minutes or so, you can see it has almost reduced to half. I had taken 1 liter of milk and it has reduced to half. At this stage, switch off the flame and let it settle for just 1 minute, and then we need to do the next process. So here I have switched off the flame. You can see the bubbles are settling down. After 1 minute, at this stage we'll add 2 pinch of baking soda. It's very important. Do not add baking soda while you place this milk on the stove or on direct heat, otherwise it will instantly turn reddish or pinkish, somewhat like that. We don't want that change. So turn off the flame, and after 1 minute I literally add 2 pinch of baking soda, and I'll show you what I'm adding. So this is my 1 pinch. So 2 pinch of baking soda goes in at this stage once the bubbles settle down after 1 to 2 minutes, and here I have added baking soda. Now do not switch on the gas. First mix it nicely, as it is still hot now. The moment you start mixing this baking soda, there will be a nice foamy texture. Nice, the foam will arise because of the aeration due to the soda. Just mix for 1 minute in this way, and then switch on the flame. So I have switched on the flame, and after I switch off on the flame and I start cooking, the foam would gradually increase because of the heat. You can see the foam quantity has increased. So just stir continuously. You can see remarkable change in the consistency. So this is what it looks out after 5 minutes more. So after 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes, this is the result, and it has started to thicken, and as I said, the soda gives aeration. So not to worry, once it cools down, this foam will settle, and then we'll cook for more 7 to 8 minutes, and after 7 to 8 minutes, see, the foam has reduced considerably and it has thickened. So now switch off the flame after almost 40 minutes, and see, this is the consistency. It's perfect for me. It's quite hot now actually, and you can see what is the consistency. It's perfect as we get in markets, and the color is also awesome. So let it cool, and I have left it for 1 hour on room temperature, and after that I have just poured it. You can see how smooth, silky and nice it is. This is the consistency of a regular condensed milk. If by chance your condensed milk thickens, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and cook it again, and if it's more watery, you can just reduce it by cooking for more 5 to 10 minutes. Completely depends upon your wish, but remember, the condensed milk will gradually thicken as it cools down. So for me, it's perfect, smooth, silky with awesome color, and you can see how thick it is. So it's just perfect. So it's ready. And second, we'll prepare homemade khoya or mawa, anything you can call. So I have taken a non-stick fry pan here first. So we need to do some process before placing it on stove. Here I have taken milk around 1/4 cup. It's boiled and at room temperature around 8 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of melted clarified butter or ghee goes in, and as it is instant, we'll use milk powder 125 grams or 16 tablespoon. I have actually mentioned tablespoon because it's a bit easier. And then first we'll initially mix it. Do not worry, it will be a bit fuzzy, but it's okay. Once we place it on the stove, it will start to loose and soften. So just mix it in this way. So it's done. Now I'll transfer it to a gas stove, but on low medium flame. This is very important. So this goes on gas stove on low medium flame for next 5 minutes more, not more than that. So I have placed it on the gas stove, and as soon as I place it on the gas stove, the sides the mawa that is stuck on the sides, it will start to leave and it will become smooth, and I'll show you what is the result after just 1 to 2 minutes. So after 1 minute, see, as I said, it's perfectly smooth and it has left the sides, and I am using a spatula to just mix it. It's just 2 minutes I have placed in the stove and it has started to become sticky. It's not prepared till now, it's midway in preparation of khoya. So what I'll show you is what is the texture. So you can see here, it's sticky and very easily sticks to my fingers. So this is not a perfect khoya. When the khoya will be prepared, it will be perfect, non-sticky, and it will not stick to my fingers. That is what I'll show you. So keep stirring it, keep mixing it in this way for good 2 minutes more, and gradually you will see it has started to bind together and my spatula is becoming non-sticky here. So this would be the consistency, this would be result. Just fold it in this way and start pressing so that the khoya can be evenly cooked from inside. See, I am just mixing it and then I am cutting it in this way. So this is a very easy way to cook khoya, especially the instant one. And the important thing to remember is that the flame is low medium. So see, after 5 minutes, this is looking good to me, and the signal is that it has almost become non-sticky. I can literally move this khoya like a dough ball, and I have switched off the flame. It took around 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame, and see the texture. You can see it's super hot now, but still I wanted to show you the texture of the khoya. This is what a khoya looks like. It's granular, it's perfect. So the texture is 100% correct, and after it has cooled down 15-20 minutes later, you can see it has hardened again. We can literally break this as we get in the market khoya. So it's just perfect, and as I had shown you in the midway, it was sticky. So this has turned out to be super awesome, perfect granular khoya, non-sticky, and you can see my fingers are clean, it's not sticking, and it can be made to any type of sweet we want or anything in any dishes. And as I told you, a perfect khoya should be granular. It's perfectly non-sticky granular khoya that we get in markets, but very different in taste, and the quality is assured. We know what ingredients we have used, and homemade khoya obviously surpasses anything you get in market. So do try this recipe. It will be a lifesaver for those times when you are in a dire need of using khoa in a recipe. Can be made in just 5 to 7 minutes with a super awesome taste. And the best part is that I have also shared the recipe of homemade condensed milk, and this is a must in Indian sweets. In fact, I'll be using this condensed milk to make my more recipes on this festive season. So do watch out for my next videos. Do not forget to subscribe to my page and share with your friends and family. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.